next example. Find the smallest number by which 8192 must be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube. Also find the cube root of quotient so obtained. Must be divided here. So first prime factorization I am finding. 8192. 2 table. 2 fours are 8. 2 won't go in 1. 2 zeros are 0. 2 nines are 18. 2 sixes are 12. 2 table again. 2 20s. 2 fours. 2 8s. Again 2 table. 2 tens are 20. 2 twos. 2 fours. 2 table. 2 fives are 10. 2 ones. 2 twos. Again 2 table. 2 twos are 4. 2 fives are 10. 2 6. Again 2 table. 128. Again 2 table. 64. Again 2 table. 32. Again 2 table. 16. Again 2 table. 8. Again 2 table. 4. Again 2 table. 2. Again 2 table. 1. So here 8192 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Make them into a group of 3. How many 2's are left over? Only 1 2 is left over. To multiply means the product will be much more bigger. But here they are asking to divide. The quotient, whenever you are getting the quotient will be lesser than the dividend there. So to divide means what I supposed to do? I have to take away this 2. Take away means to remove it off. So this number should be divided by only one number is left over there. So 8912 must be divided by only single one by 2. Suppose in this one more 2 is left over there, then what do we do? That this 8192 must be divided by 2 times 2. That means divided by 4 will write there. So here it should be divided by 2 to make it a perfect cube. To make it a perfect cube. Now 8192 must be divided by 2 equal to 2 times 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 2 divided by 2. This 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. Here this will become 4096 equal to 2 times 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 2. Cube root of 4096 equal to cube root of this one gives you 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 gives you 16. Clear? Thank you.